Hello, welcome. This is to show you the surroundings of the place where you will stay. This is the place. There's a possibility of renting an e-chopper or a boat, for example, canoe, subs. I have 2 subs and 1 inflatable canoe. There's also a possibility of renting a boat here. There's possibilities of eating, a bar. There is a possibility of swimming next to the house. The depth of the water is 2 meters 50. If you don't like that depth, it's also possible to go to the swimming pool, the mains. It's here. There's also another swimming pool nearby. That's over here. One moment, please. There's a small charge for that. This is the river, the Vecht. And you can see there are a lot of lovely houses over there. And this is the swimming pool. What you can also do is take a fietsboot. And it looks like this. Where you can put your bicycle on and then all the way down the Vecht. And you see some lovely places, nice houses. And you go all the way to Utrecht, for example. Vechtboot is also stops in Breukelen, so you can start also here. And then it goes all the way to Utrecht. I will show you the surroundings, because here you will stay. Here is Utrecht, only 15 kilometers, and this is Amsterdam, and here is Schiphol. All the airplanes are coming, and Schiphol is only 30 minutes with the car. Talking about swimming, I also wanted to show you this. You can also go with your bicycle, you cycle here. It's a lovely route, and then you can go to this possibility. Call it possibility of swimming. I wanted to show you. One moment. So that's a small beach, and normally there are a lot of people here. Go to the toilets, eat something. Okay. If you go to Breukelen, you will see some lovely castles also. Castle Gunterstein. And here's also Nyenrode University. Business University. You can't visit this, but there is another possibility of a castle visiting, and that is Ter Haar. I will show you. Just to show you how nearby Utrecht is. Utrecht is well famous for the canals. This is the castle that I mentioned. It's Castle De Haar. And for a small fee you can go inside. Sometimes there are events. If you would like to go to Utrecht, it's even possible by bike. With the bicycle it's 15 kilometers, 47 minutes. And by car it's 30 minutes. Even Amsterdam is not that far. Only if you go really to the center, then it's 26.6 kilometers. If you want to rent bicycles, there's a possibility in Breukelen itself. It's called Agen van het Hof. It's for a longer period possible. If the weather is bad and you still want to swim, there's a swimming pool in Breukelen. Here you can see the train station. And from the train station it's not far to Amsterdam, for example. Amsterdam. Route from train station Breukelen. It's 21 minutes, one straight line. Further on there are other things that are nice. Also nice to visit is the Hei in Hilversum. It's only 15 kilometers with the bike. Even less, I think. Yeah, 12.2. And I will show you what it looks like. This is something different. This is a little bit further, but it's Soestduinen. Lovely place. Half an hour away with the car. But I wanted to show you Hilversum. So, and this is only 15 kilometers. A lovely place to walk, eat something. Amsterdam is natuurlijk very nice to visit. Of course, very nice to visit. But what also nice are the parks over there, like the Vondelpark. In the center of Amsterdam. This is a lovely place to stay at. Okay. You can always get in touch with me to ask questions if you have any. Have a nice day. Bye bye.